Let me show you how I use this magical hair growth serum. This is a rosemary hair growth serum. I know it's quite viral and I have shared the process how I made it and every other detail in my previous video. First of all, shake the bottle gently so that everything get mixed. So just spray it onto your scalp. I won't prefer to use it on dirty or oily scalp. So you should use it on clean scalp to get the best benefit out of it. Comb your hair, spray it onto your scalp, do partition side by side and just keep on spraying it as much you need in on the front section or back section wherever you need it. You don't need to apply it on full hair length. And once done spraying, just gently massage with your fingertip. Don't use your nails, just your fingertip, and gently massage it for 2 to 5 minutes. And this massage will increase the blood circulation and blood flow, and it will stimulate the hair growth. To get the best result, you have to apply it every single night 1 hour before going to the bed. Just spray it onto your scalp and let your scalp air dry so that it get absorbed and it start to do its magic. Just comb your hair. Don't go to bed with wet scalp because that's more harmful than good. It will take 3 to 4 months to show result because anything skincare or hair care takes time to show its result, but you have to be consistent and it is very effective. Trust me, it's natural minoxidil. Also, it has water like consistency, so you don't have to shampoo your hair every single day you apply it. So definitely give it a try and follow for more such video. Bye.